Now, when not busy, be sure to get busy. Make sure you got a broom, a mop, or whatever. Always make sure that you got something to do, some kind of training to do. Always make sure you have that right there ready to do, okay? Sweep the floors, mop the floors, take trash out, take scrap to the bins. There's always scrap that needs to be taken to the bins. Take parts of the return parts. Ask the guys, hey, you need me to take anything to the parts for you? Got any trash you need me to take out? What do you need me to clean up? Do more approved training. If you're just starting out and you don't have a particular direction, like if you're not an asset or something like that, and you want to start training a particular area, talk to your service manager. Say, hey, I want to start learning how to do transmissions. They say, great, and start doing those transmission modules. Right? Start doing that training so that you can get, and when you get those done, you can go up to it and say, hey, I need to take this transmission class. I've got all the courses done. They have a transmission class on this date and this date. Which one do I get to go? So that's something that you can do and get your training done. Organize the tool room. The break room or the workshop area where you got the workshop manuals and the wiring diagrams. You can organize those areas. Put books up, put tools up, clean tools. Those are the things you can do to keep busy. Okay, don't just sit down. Oh, I'm working on a quick lube today and I'm all caught up, so I'm just going to sit here in this chair and just soak up getting paid for doing nothing and visit with all my buddies here that's at work that's not doing anything either. You know what? 4 people not doing anything is even worse than 1 person not doing anything. When the manager walks back here and sees that, he blows a gasket. There's too many things to be done in the dealership, okay? That's why having all this stuff extra that you've already got lined out. Now, if you are a quick lube tech and you get caught up and you're gonna go do something in the tool room, you just gotta go talk to your service advisor and say, hey, I'm gonna go to the tool room and be working there. When you need me, come get me. All right, or page me or whatever. That's things that you can do to stay busy. And they know that you're in there doing something. When they need you, they can come find you. All right, you say, hey, I'm going to take all the trash out. Just communicate. You got to be openly communicating. That's another thing about being a good coworker, is openly communicate what you're doing, where you're doing it, and how you're doing it with your coworkers. Okay, with the ones that need to know what you're doing, that's the ones you need to talk to. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.